Hi, ladies and gents. So this is the extension of solving logs. So you'll see some familiar problems that you've done on Monday and Tuesday, but for today, you've got one little section to add on to this. So notice as I just scroll through here, remember the previous lessons, right? Log, both same bases, you can cancel those out and solve. So these are actually really easy. Cancel, cancel, solve. Cancel, oh, can't just cancel these. Remember you have to condense first, and then you can cancel and solve. Number 4, you've got to condense first, and then since there is no log on this side, you have to exponentiate. So remember that technique. So, all right, so this is basically some old stuff. Exponentiating over here, and here comes the new stuff. So these are going to look funny because these are just in exponential form. So the other form is log form, here's exponential form. And I just picked number 8 here just because I had a little bit more space. So what you have to do here is introduce logs, right? The only way to solve a variable in your exponent is with logs. Sorry, but that's the case. So what you have to do is introduce logs in here. So literally, I'm just going to put a log on every side. So log goes here, so log of, now there's no base. It's assumed to be a log base 10. You don't have to write the 10. But log of 14 to the x minus 4, right? Log on this side. Equals, put a log here, so log of 27. Just goes right in front. So this is going to make us able to solve for the powers because in log form, where does the power go? It goes in front, right? So remember this goes right in front of the log, which is why I put it here. And I put it in parentheses just to remind you it is still one piece. So x minus 4 log 14 equals log 27. So we're really solving for this piece. So I'm going to divide this log away, right? Divide by log on both sides. So that's actually going to cancel the log here. Divide by log of 17, or log of 14 here, excuse me. And by the way, these are actually just numbers, right? So if I divide log of 27 divided by log of 14, you get a decimal, 1.2489. And just to show you, if you were to plug this in your calculator, say you have the basic, now this is just from my computer here, log of 27, what you do is you hit 27 first, then you hit log base 10, right? That's what it's assumed to be, so there we go. And if you want to divide by log of 14, divide by, you have to hit 14 log, so that's the log of 14, but hit enter afterwards, right? And that's going to be log of 27 divided by log of 14. So for this worksheet, we round up to the next 4th place here. So 1.2489, because the 6 rounds that up, and that's the number. Right, so just to show you that again, 27, right? So 27 log, use the regular log, divided by log of 14 is 14 log, but then hit equals after. Right, so that'll be that. So from that number, your logs are gone. That's the beautiful property here. You're left with x minus 4 equals that number. Right, so just add 4 over, and you get your answer, which is choice B. All right, so this is the way you're going to solve all of these exponential type problems. All right, so do the same thing. Put a log in here on both sides. Log on both sides, log on both sides. And just remember that that power does go in front of the log. You'll divide logs on both sides like this piece. Find your decimal, right, and then that's your answer. Remember, you can also check these as well. Right? Say I think that 7.959 is my answer here. I could plug 7.959 minus 6, do 12 to that power, and see if you get 91. So these you can check and make sure that you're right as you go forward. All right? Thanks, guys. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.